Today I'm going to be reviewing all of my toys that I got for my birthday party. And first we're starting with the walkie-talkies. And yeah, this thing is so cool because you can give the other one to your friend that lives in the same neighborhood as you, because this thing has a 16-mile range, which is pretty awesome if you ask me. And yeah, it has really good signal. So yeah. And next is the Elite 2.0 Nerf Blaster. This thing looks pretty decent. It looks like a really good Nerf gun. It's comfortable to hold. It will do really good in a Nerf battle. And its reloading's awesome. So let's test its aiming. Yes, let's go! That's OP right there. This thing is so OP, guys. This is W right here. Okay, now. Yeah, so that Nerf gun was really cool. But next up is the Fire Panther. I already have one of these, but you know what they say, the more the better. Now let's review this and do its little science experiment. Guys, after all of that cutting, I did a lot of cutting, but after all of that, we finally got the instruction manual out. And let's just see how this works real quick. First, we unlock the chamber, and it's finished. We remove the chamber. This is a little hard. Dang it. Boom. Now that the chamber is open, let's see the next step. Then we remove the cap. Then we remove the foil just enough, just like this. Now we pour it. Whoa. Boom. We got all the mutation fluid inside.
Whoa.
Looks cool, right?
Yeah.
Next, we push the top button. Whoa. Now. Oh, dang it. How do I rotate the handle? Oh, this way. Alright. Yeah, this is looking really cool. And I'll see you again in part 2 where we will show you the rest of the toys and what it looks like. Thanks for watching.
If the sun refused to shine